Hello guys, this is Raveendra. You are watching Raveendra Info YouTube channel. Uh, today we are discussing about the difference between Docker volumes and mount binds, bind mounts. We will also call as bind mounts. Yeah, if you don't know Docker volumes, how to create Docker volumes that attached into a running container, I am already created the video about this topic. If you can see, right, you go through that video. After that, you come back to this video. That will be more helpful you guys. Okay, I will create one container for binding the mount. Docker run hyphen name. I will give some mysql hyphen 1. I think already there this one. I will give some mysql hyphen 5 and we will go through the documentation once. You will get some clarity about that. MySQL, the official image. Go through the official image. These are the documentation, guys. Every can do easily. No one bother about the code, these much command and all. Simply go through website hub.docker.com and you will get data. So we will give some environment variable. Not this one actually. Yeah, this one. You can simply copy this one, only this one, and paste it. That's it. You can see, guys, Docker run. I will give some hyphen name, some mysql. This is the name. I will change the name. We don't give tag. If tag you, the latest one will be running. I will give some mysql hyphen 5 and if you can see, right, this is volume will attach to the container, but in this scenario I will give you how to bind with mount binds. We will also called as bound binds. Okay, you can see, right, I will delete this one and simple. First we want to give some tilt slash. Tilt means under root, and after that we'll go through some wp underscore mysql. Why I am giving the wp underscore mysql? I want to attach the mysql container to WordPress. That's why wp means WordPress. I want to attach my SQL container to WordPress. That's why I'm giving wp and if underscore mysql. This is the way for guys to attach mounts, bind mounts in your container. After that everything will be same. Maybe the password, I will change password. Password is my pass. I will give some my pass. That's it guys. If you can click enter, the container gets created. You can see right, either Docker ps. Yeah, if you can see right, there is a running container mysql image and image container id like that, and created 8 seconds ago and running up 8 seconds. The ports, the default port of mysql is 3306, and the name, the container name is mysql 5. I will decide this much hyphen name mysql 5, right? That's why creating name mysql 5, and we don't give the any name. Later in volume session, whenever I'm creating the container, I go through the volumes, right? Docker volume ls. If you can see any volume like wp underscore mysql, no, but earlier we have mysql -1 volume. So that's it, the difference guys. In we will create the volumes, the volume created under docker volume ls, this much. And if you give my mount bounds, the volume not created but the directory created, directory or folder. If you can check the directory created or not, type ls-al. Yeah, if you can see right guys, there is a wp underscore mysql file. cd space underscore mysql ls space -al. Yeah, if you can see right guys, there is a mysql content over there. We don't create volumes, so we don't go to the docker volumes ls section, but we do, we don't create wp underscore mysql directory also automatically created. Whenever we will give the particular tilt slash wp underscore mysql, that's it guys. Later I will do one thing, I will attach this mysql container to WordPress container using same mount bounds. So once we will go through the WordPress image. This is the official image guys, and we will go through documentation. We will take some simple thing. And I will clear the data. okay, and paste it. I will change some changes in this, guys. Docker run some WordPress. I will change the container name WordPress -1, and network I don't want to network, so I am deleting the network. I'm creating some bind mounts -v space tilt slash wp underscore file data -d WordPress. Once I can go through the documentation, and if you can see, right, the WordPress container running on var html var slash www slash html will take this. This is the destination, guys. Destination. Whenever the volume or mount bound we are creating, that is the source file. The destination file will be this one. Paste it. That's it. And I'm linking this WordPress to MySQL container using -link link space. So we will give space in this, yes, and the container name and the image name we will want to give -link MySQL -5 the container name, and after that we want to give the image name MySQL. That's it, guys. If you want to give some variables to this, we will give after I will give some variables space -e variables. Whatever the variables we have, we will check once. We will take some WordPress DB user or DB name. We'll take this one, WordPress DB name equal to copy and paste it, equal to some, I will give some name admin. That's it, small letters, and click enter. WordPress, we don't have WordPress image in our local repository. First of all, download the image file and pulling and extract to the local version. After that, this is some reference number, and status is download new image for WordPress latest. After that, we have some container reference ID. If you can see, right, ls command, want to go through back, and docker ps. If you can see, right, the WordPress container is running up, and it's running up to 41 seconds, and port will be 80. If you want to give 8 port, we will give you using -p space. The WordPress container runs on 8080 port. 8080 is to 80. Even you can check this one, docker volume ls. There is no volume created, name called wp underscore my file data, right? If you can check ls-al, there is a file called wp underscore file data. I don't created this file or directory using mkdir command, and if you give this simple command, automatically the directories will be created. This is the difference, guys. The volumes and mount binds or bind mounts. In real time, majority of time you use mount bound, some this type of mount bounds. This is the major difference, guys. If you can you cannot see the docker volume, how to create docker volume. You can please check the video and view the full video. You will get some clarity how to create docker volume and how to create docker mounts, bind mounts. This is for today, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Raveendra signing off. Jai Hind.